at the gas station. I just got some lottery tickets. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna hit the jackpot. I know I am one day. So we're about to head to Riverside, it's about an hour away. And it's gonna take me a good day, money day. We'll sell, hopefully we sell out everything. But yeah, you wanna say something, mama? Hey! Oh, that's my mama. Alright, so the gas is ready. We're about to head out. I know, please don't judge me, but we have a long drive.
Man, I didn't even fill it up.
Oosh. How that happen? Mama?
What I do?
Okay, let's go. And we didn't even eat breakfast. So you know what that means.
Grumpy.
Ooh, hit the spot. Alright, let's go, guys. I'm turning you guys off. Okay. Are you gonna go up there? Oh, you went for me. You don't go.
Guys love music.
Go ahead, Grandpa. I wonder what time they be
I
coming.
don't like our spots.
Why?
You like it?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, guys, we made it. You wanna be on camera? That's Mama. She wanna be on camera?
No. I said hi.
She played too much.
I'm playing, guys.
Yeah, she playing. So we're here. It's 9:35. What'd you send me? So.
I sent you something? Oh.
You know, okay, so we went
around like, who talked?
Right. So we've been here before. We've been here a couple of times. You guys haven't seen those vlogs. I'm gonna tag them below so you guys can check it out. But we're waiting for the cars to go so we can
Load up.
so we can unload. And then usually after I go get us something to eat. So I'm thinking about going to Starbucks. What you think? At least you don't want nothing?
I don't like Starbucks stuff.
You like they sandwiches? You don't like that sandwich? I know you didn't like the turkey one, but they have another one that I really like. It's like croissant.
It's a croissant?
Uh-huh.
What?
It's cheese and bacon on it.
Cheese and bacon. Alright.
It's on croissant. It's really good. It's always sold out. It's called the double smoked bacon. If you guys haven't heard.
Real bacon or your kind of bacon?
It's real bacon. She don't like nothing healthy, guys. Nothing at all. But I'm kind of excited. It's gonna be a good day. I always say that. Every vlog I always say that because, you know, I'm being optimistic. But we have some new arrivals. We have some cover-ups. We already sold out damn near everything online. I'm so excited. Our business is growing, y'all. But dang, nobody moved. Yeah, I'm just none of the cars moved. But we have some new purses, a new of our bougie clutches. That's what we call them, bougie clutches. I want to see how people will perceive them, but I am in love with it. So yeah. So like I said, I hope you guys do consider subscribing to my channel. I have been so consistent. Every week well, this week particular, well, I say we, I'm used to saying we, but we have 4 vlogs that's up this week, but usually I just do 2 to 3 vlogs a week, and I've been doing good. It's been like over like a couple of years of me consistently posting. Like, I'm so amazed at myself. Yeah. You want to add anything, mother? We have vacations planned. We got a lot of stuff coming up. Why do it look like this?
You want to talk about our big pop-ups?
Oh, you're talking about the Jazz Fest?
Jazz Fest and Juneteenth.
Oh, Juneteenth is the next big one. If you guys don't know what Juneteenth is, it's very popular in the South. When I used to live in the South, like, it's a bigger deal. So it's slowly coming out here like that. But Juneteenth, we having a huge event. Oh, there she goes. She walking. Hi. Good morning.
So you're gonna be next to Juicy Roots. So where this car's going, just follow her. So there'll be Mr. Michi, it's an artist, you, and then Juicy Roots. So the open space that's right there, very close to where you're usually at. So just if you go that open space, that's you.
Okay. Juicy Fruit.
I'll be over there in the...
Okay.
Look, usually it's not this many vendors. Okay,
I need to talk to him.
we're gonna say so they give away our spot. Oh my gosh, a lot. I don't like change. All right, let's see where we at. Oh, she said Mr. Michi, and then
Where's Mr. Michi?
right here.
What? Right here?
Yeah.
So she said right before.
She said something juicy. Okay, so this is our spot, guys. Usually over there. I don't know how this is gonna be. I just wanna make sure people. Okay, you know what? We're gonna make the best of it. So let me get the tripod so you guys can see what we're doing. Can you move up a little bit?
Oh. Get your camera. I'm gonna move up a
I
little.
need my tripod. We're usually in the front seat. Of course, I am on live like always, and we're still setting it up. Well, everybody's just setting it up. We need to hurry up. Can we move the cars? I think by I think to move the cars by 11. I'm not sure, but I want to run to Starbucks too. So this is how it looks so far. Our little mess. And it's a lot way more vendors than usual. If you guys seen the previous one when we was here, it wasn't that many vendors. Oh. Alright guys, so I am about to head to Starbucks real quick. We unloaded everything, so I'm gonna run to Starbucks. And then what time is it? Okay. Making good timing. I hate driving over here because literally look right here. It's like the pond. So it's not even a pond, whatever the hell this is. So there's a lot of parking spots over here. We got tea today. It keeps spilling. Make no damn sense. All right. All right, let's go back. So damn sure my son needs to do the GPS. I've been going here we've been coming here for like a month now. Okay. All right, let's go back. We're late. People are already here and we haven't even set up. So yeah, I'm about to hurry up and set up.
I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're everyone.
Okay guys, so they have a taco eating contest. It's gonna be interesting. They got the water and all that ready.
Come on, let's show them your support, guys. They're gonna fill their stomachs up right now for $500. We've got the amazing Raina is crazy with us. Let's hear it up for her. So, are we taking bets already? Do you guys see who you're betting on yet? Just kidding, just kidding. Everyone, how to professional leader before today, you are now, right? And now we've got the amazing Raina. So I'm sure a lot of you guys know who Raina is, right?
Hi, I'm Raina. I'm a local Southern Dakota eater here.
On your mark. Who's ready to see this? Can I get one more big cheer? Let's show everyone some support. On your marks. Get set and go. Taking off. They are going off to a head start. We've got a couple different techniques. We've got people going taco by taco, people eating just the meat, then going for the tortillas afterwards. Oh, this is gripping, guys. We've got water spilling everywhere. But I have to say, this is beautiful, guys. Dipping the water in the tortilla in the water. It's a good method there. The dry tortilla makes it go down a little bit smoother. Got Christina here for support, supporting with the water. Look at Raina go. She is going. She's got a whole row down almost. So we're at 14 seconds now, folks. 14 seconds. It feels like minutes have passed, but it's only been seconds. Raina's got a whole row down. They are going. There is water everywhere. It's kind of like a Taco SeaWorld. Splash zone. It looks like the main method is to eat the whole taco now. Oh no, we've still got one competitor eating the meat and then the taco. A lot of people dipping their tacos to make it nice and smooth going down. The focus is really incredible, guys. Come on, keep it going. Let's hear it. Let's hear it for the competitors, guys. Let's keep them motivated. I know you all are imagining, oh, if that was me up there. Tacos, tacos, tacos. By D's Vegan Catering. Let's see where we're at. Raina has got 2 rows down. 2 rows down. We've got 1 row down over here at the end. We've got another meat and then tortilla eater over here. Almost 1 row over here. We're taking out a corner with Bear. And then we've got almost a whole row at the end. Oh man. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Get that motivation. This reminds me of that scene in Matilda where that guy has to eat the chocolate cake, the entire thing. I'm sure you guys feel like him. But you've got this. Keep it going, guys. $500. Got $500 right here, guys. This could be yours. Keep it going. Look at it. Let it motivate you. 500. Tortillas first. Her tortillas first and meat last. She saved that best for last.
1 minute left.
1 minute left of the competition, guys. 1 minute left. So far, Raina is taking the lead, with Bear close behind. We're going to whoever can finish first. Okay, guys, we're almost there. We're almost to the end. It's been a strong competition. Thank you all. Dawn, can she swallow this last bite? Yes, she can. I guess it's up to the rest of you guys if you want to finish your tacos, but we're gonna get some napkins for the competitors. Thank you guys all for coming out to this incredible competition. That was masterful. I have never seen someone take down tacos like that. Thank you. She needs a second. She needs a second to recover.
So these are actually really good tacos. I love the meat, the flavors were on point. I love the salsa flavors. I just wish there was more salsa. I love the salsa. It's okay. Definitely go check out these tacos. The toughest part about this is definitely the tortillas. You know, it's double wrapped, and that's probably for most people here, it's probably the hardest part to get down because it's very, very filling. And that was the hardest part for me. But other than that, I absolutely love this and hope you guys all enjoy the festival.
Can you give us your website or your Instagram so we can follow you?
Crazy.
Raina's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we want to give that gift to you. We're a vendor.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We're with Bourgeois Boutique.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. We loved you up here. I love your personality.
Thank you guys again for
The famous people, like I get a little weird.
If you wanted to do a little bit of shopping,
Oh yeah, it was.
all different
Speak
kinds
up, Will.
of stuff, guys. We have Mr. DJ down here if you're ready to have a good time.
That is it, guys. We're about to start packing up. It was fun today. I enjoyed it.